guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. थोड़े दिन में बस दिवाली है. The last 2 weeks have been insanely busy for me. Social Nation का performance था. मैंने एक बहुत बड़ा shoot किया. मुझे अपनी videos pre-film करनी थी. And there were a few brand deals that I had to do. So there were actually a lot of things that were happening एक साथ, and I didn't have any time to breathe. So I thought today I can just be at home, go to a coffee shop and like not do much. So that's why मैं थोड़ा late उठी और अभी time क्या हो रहा है? I think it's 11. I got up at like 9:30. I slept over at a friend's place and मैं सुबह से बस chill कर रही हूँ. So I wanted to do a vlog about like what I do on like these chill random days. So मेरे सारे vlogs में I'm like jet setting, today shoot, today fancy event. अभी all my friends are in Delhi. They're going for the stash parties and like having fun. यहाँ पे तो वैसा कोई scene ही नहीं है. I haven't gotten invited for a single one of those. I thought आज मैं घर पे रहती हूँ. I'll like clean my house thoda sa. I'll do a small pamper session for myself and do a little bit of my pending work. So since when I late uthi hu, I always feel very groggy. I don't know what's happening. So I'm going to make a list and see what all I have to do. First thing on the agenda is to have a bath. For all my WhatsApps, I have to go through my Social Nation vlog edit. Just had a bath and ये मेरा आज का outfit है. #OOTD. Outfit. All my friends tell me that why do you overdress for like regular days. This is like not my version of overdress. This is my version of chilled out. This is a new top that I recently got. Something comfy and cute. I like to look nice. I like to dress up. So as soon as I get out of the bath, my skin feels so like dry. So what I usually do is that मैं सुबह उठते ही पानी पीना start करती हूँ. I have this big bottle which I'll just show you, which I start drinking like from the moment I get up, like at least 2 of those bottles. And I've been seeing a lot of your comments in my last few videos that oh Sejal, your skin is glowing and stuff like that. I think it's because of that water and the fact that I've been exercising and eating healthy. When I was at home, I was like snacking a lot and eating a lot of unhealthy stuff. But यहाँ पे snacking का option नहीं है क्योंकि घर पे कुछ खाना ही नहीं होता extra. Because I'm just like, who will spend 300 bucks on Nutella? You know what I mean? Okay, so quick skincare routine. So you guys know I've been working with Olay for a while and I've been using these two products together, which is the Power Duo as my moisturizer. This is the Radiance Essence and this is the Micro Sculpting Cream. I really like using both of them together. I'm going to do that and talk more about it at night before I sleep. But for now, I'm going to be using this guy. It's actually really light. And I also love to use lip balm. It's a lip mask. And days that I don't have to go out or usually रात को मैं ऐसे use करती हूँ ताकि the whole night it can work on my lips. My lips are very chapped and like cracked, like they get very flaky. So this helps that and it makes it smooth. Okay, my room currently is quite messy, especially this side. ये rack actually सारे कपड़े हैं जो मैं अपने shoots में use करती हूँ. So all my outfits are laid out here. Cupboard की हालत, oh my god. Sit down and work. So whenever people ask me what I like more, shooting or editing, I love just like sitting down and doing my pending work. Because I think I'm a very lazy person. Like shooting and all is fun, I like doing all of that, but I love when it's over and I can just sit down and you know be alone, do my own thing. Comment below if any of you relate with that. I know there will be nobody, but nevertheless. So pehle actually there was no table here and I felt so demotivated to work. That's why I would always end up working there. Lying down and then sleeping. So I thought I should really invest in a table which I can carry with me everywhere. This table was for 10,000 rupees and this chair was for 5. I sit down to work. I bring that big bottle of water and I keep having it in a glass. And I also bring a bowl of dry fruits. This is like the best snack to have, yeah. Like I know I sound so typical Instagrammer kind of vibe. Guys, so I have recently discovered WhatsApp web. I know I'm so late in the game. If you like working on your laptop and all your messages come all the time, so it's so good to just like have it on your screen and then you can just do all your work from there. I sound like such a nerd. So the first thing on the agenda is to see what the edit of the Social Nation vlog has been like. I actually really like it. I had a smile on my face throughout when I was watching the video and I think that that's a really good sign of judging if a video is good or not. a few points जो मुझे change करवाने हैं. Actually, if you're working with an editor, like no one really talks about this, but like getting someone to edit something according to how you want and your style is actually really difficult. So I've been working for a while and I thought I'd take a food break. So for lunch, I'm having pulao. I love having home food. So like one of the biggest things for me, अकेले रहने के लिए होता है मेरे पास खाना अच्छा हो. So I have a house help जो मेरे साथ जो मेरे घर में काम करती है and she makes all the food. So I went shopping for आटे and चावल and sabzi yesterday. So there's pulao. So what I'm doing right now is that I shot a video, a fashion video yesterday. So obviously हमने बहुत सारी photos ली थी हर look के साथ. So I'm going through all the pictures and I'm gonna select them. Select my favorite ones, sit down and edit my favorite ones so that they're ready to post on Instagram. I think there are some 300-400 photos that I'm going to go through and select the ones that I think are the best. This actually is a task. It's a really fun task. This is my favorite pastime, but I need to finish this in time to get all the pictures up. It takes like a good half an hour, 40 minutes to just do this. So I got very bored like sitting and working. मुझसे actually ना घर पे काम किया नहीं जाता. So any of you who work from home would know that it's very difficult to stay motivated at home जब बिस्तर सामने होता है और जब खाना फ्रिज में होता है. So I thought I'd take a break and actually do something that's detoxing, which is cleaning my cupboard. मैंने shoot जल्दी में इसका कबाड़ा मच गया है. So let's get to it. Okay, gonna start with this section first. This is jackets, some pants. Actually so glad I'm doing this. In just 3 months of living in this house, I have accumulated quite a lot. Thank God दिवाली आ गया, otherwise मैं 2 साल बाद करती. जब से मैं यहाँ shift हुई हूँ, I've been really ruthless with just like discarding things, giving things away to people as soon as I get them. With clothes, with जो भी मुझे PR packages आते हैं, मैं सब अपने दोस्तों में बांट देती हूँ क्योंकि इस घर में जगह नहीं है and now I'm responsible for cleaning it up. I've already made a pile of things that I want to give away to my friends. It's all done. Okay, I am genuinely impressed with myself. This took, I think, less than 40-45 minutes. So these are all the clothes that I took out to discard. My old house in Gurgaon, मेरे पास इतना बड़ा cupboard था and मुझे तब भी लगता था कि ये shit कुछ fit नहीं आ रहा है, but I'm able to manage in a smaller cupboard, so I feel really happy. For my videos and stuff, I know that I need to wear different outfits for every event. So I just try and source it from brands and from people I know and just return it back so that I live a minimalistic, clutter-free life. And that's why this is the rack where like everything I use in my videos lies. Okay, hi, what's up? देखो इसमें से कुछ चाहिए. Actually सारा ले ले please. Because it doesn't fit me. Like all of this is really good. Like some नया but it doesn't fit me properly. Okay, so the next thing that I want to do is do थोड़ा सा decoration for my house. I know it's kind of lame. हम अपने cousin से मिलने जा रहे हैं Bangalore में to celebrate Diwali. But I thought मेरा first time है and मेरा खुद का घर है. I should put up some decorations. You will be proud of me, mother. Yes, thank you. मैं रंगोली तो नहीं बनाऊंगी क्योंकि वो दिवाली के दिन बनानी होती है. But I thought थोड़ी सी decorations करना ठीक रहेगा. अभी मैंने रिसेंटली एक फेस्टिव थीम्ड दिवाली टाइप शूट किया था घर पे और उसके लिए हमने डेकोरेशंस खरीदे थे. मैंने सोचा मैं वही यूज़ कर लेती हूँ. आई डोंट वांट टू पुट एनीथिंग लाइक यू नो फ्रेश फ्लावर्स एनीथिंग बिकॉज आई एम एक्चुअली नॉट हियर एंड फ्रॉम माई एक्सपीरियंस विद द ब्लडी कॉकरोचेस लाइक मक्खीज एंड लाइक कीड़ा टाइप निकला तो मैं तो मर ही जाऊंगी. आई डोंट वांट अ रिपीट ऑफ दैट. आई हैव दिस एंड मेरे पास थोड़े से दिए हैं. आई थिंक दिस शुड बी गुड इनफ. हेलो मम्मा, सुनाई दे रहा है? तो मैं सोची थी कि मैं घर पे ना वो थोड़े डेकोरेशंस लगाऊं दिवाली के लिए, मतलब अपने लिए. सेंस बनता है?
हाँ बिल्कुल, क्यों नहीं. मैं दिल की खुशी के लिए लगाते ना. आपको खुशी होनी चाहिए, किसी और को खुशी के लिए थोड़ी लगाते हैं. हाँ लंबा सा लगा दो. भगवान जी की मूर्ति है उसके आसपास मेक सम नाइस फ्लावर से रंगोली बना दो. आटा खरीदा कि नहीं?
हाँ खरीद लिया था. I'm gonna put it on this door because the main door I don't know if someone opens it, if someone takes them down. I'm not too sure. It's very basic. Like look at the tape. I think it looks nice when you're walking in. So the entrance.
I also made a small arrangement. This just came in my mail, so मुझे लगा कि ये भी मैं लगा देती हूँ. And I put the diyas around the murti along with some more diyas and एक दो flowers.
Now I'm heading out of my house. I'm going to like a close by cafe. and I want to sit and ideate for some new videos. Alright, so I'm finally back home. I actually had a really productive day. I actually bought a new domain today, which is at sejalkumar.net. So that's what my business ID is on now. Woohoo! Alright, so I've changed into my night clothes. This is actually my favorite time of the day because sara kaam ho gaya and I can just chill out and do my own thing. So I've set up my chilling scene. Let me show you. Laptop. I have a trimmer. I have to trim my facial hair. Nail polish remover. Cotton. Cream. Lip mask. I lit a scented candle. I have my water bottle. And this is my little getting beautiful zone. And I'm gonna watch a show on Netflix. So actually one of my really good friends has just released a show, and shit, it's not on Netflix. Flames. It's by the Timeliners only, and one of my really good friends Kunal has written the show. So uska second season aaya, which I plan to binge watch. So just before I sat down, I washed my face. I also washed my feet. I plan to redo the nail paint on my feet. So I washed it with slightly warm water and scrubbed it with a loofah. So today, this may seem like a little random. I actually think about this a lot, at how all of us in this generation are in general so hard on ourselves. I felt bad about not having done my pending work before, and then I felt bad about wanting to take a break. Then I felt bad about, oh no, I should give myself a break. Why are we constantly just being hard on ourselves just because we're ambitious or just because we want to be successful? And I thought for a second, like, what if I just give myself a break? उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं बस घर पे बैठ के चिल मारूंगी. मैं अपने आप को कोसूंगी नहीं, और I won't tell myself that I suck or I need to change this about myself, I need to lose weight or I need to do this or that. And I realized that that's so difficult for us to do. वो thought process में जाना ही इतना मुश्किल हो गया है. I don't know if you guys relate with this. Do any of you feel this way? Let me know below. So anyway, I trimmed the sides. I bought in laser here on the sides. And after that, I apply a lot of moisturizer. This is the same thing I used in the morning, the Olay Radiance Essence plus the Olay Micro Sculpting Cream. Together it's called a Power Duo. I've been using it for 2-3 months now. It's actually really good. It's really helped my skin, along with drinking a lot of water and exercising, to look very radiant, to have like an even skin tone. And it just overall looks very supple and really nice. I'm gonna start with the serum first. You all must be thinking that this is the most random vlog ever. Like my free days, I literally like this. I'm just doing my own thing, sitting in a cafe. If you were to meet me in real life and have a conversation with me, you would see that I'm very philosophical. I introspect a lot. Basically overthinker. Pretty late now, it's like 12 almost. I feel a lot nicer now, and Flames is really nice. Like, I'm almost done with the first episode. It's super cute, so please check it out. Congratulations Timeliners, it's really good. And yeah, I guess that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching this super chill random vlog, and happy Diwali. Have fun with your family, and subscribe, like, bell button if you enjoyed, and I'll see you soon.